Go ahead.
Hello, YouTubers. We're going to show you a game review. Say hello to Daddy.
Alright, this is Daddy, and that was Caleb. We're going to do I think he's a little bit shy. So you guys are fine. You're not going to do the review with me, Caleb?
No, play the game, Daddy.
Which one of the game you want to play?
Skylanders.
Skylanders. You sure?
Yes, I want to see somebody. I want to see the dragon.
Not everybody unlock on Skylanders. Go and pick a next game.
Angry Birds Go.
Angry Birds Go. Alright, we'll do a review on Angry Birds Go.
I'm going to do it. Let's put it on YouTube and...
Yes, it's going to go on YouTube.
Okay, and we're going to put it on everybody's pastry. Okay, so we're here. Then we're pressing this.
You want to race?
Yep. Then we got Shelly here. We're going to change our Angry Bird.
Change that from Shelly to Red. Change from Shelly to Redbird.
Yeah. Let's change a car.
We don't have that much car because we start over. Because the time it crashed. We start over from scratch.
This have the...
You're going to use this car?
Yes, I'm going to go back to Shelly because that's Shelly's car.
Alright.
Yep.
Alright. It's just 94cc. Not that fast, Caleb. You can't race Bomb because Bomb is... Alright. Alright, we're going to do this. The versus race. I want it on medium or hard.
Hard.
No, man, you can manage hard.
No?
Alright, I'll do medium. Alright, let's go.
I'll do medium.
Alright, then I'm gonna do the oh my god. Battery is low. Battery is low, Caleb.
Oh my gosh, battery is done, reviewers.
Alright, I'll watch the video. Get some.
Let's watch some video first.
Alright.
To erase.
Have a cold?
Yes.
Okay, let's go now, Caleb. Supposed to get the extra. Bubble. Extra bubble. Watch the video and get the extra bubble.
Yeah.
Alright.
Still have a little cup. I mean.
Alright, Caleb. Let's go. Ready? Daddy's gonna play it, okay?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Ooh.
Beat Bubbles. Beat Bubbles.
I'm trying to.
But he's fast. I can't catch him.
Is that she or him? Which one?
He's a boy.
A boy?
Yes, he's little. Cause he's a son. Cause he can go fat.
You can get fat?
Yeah.
Oh.
When you're behind him, see, she can get a big fat bubble there. And then
wait, what happened to the sound?
Hey.
Not hearing any sound?
Yes, we beat him. Right, reviewers?
What was it? Whoa, what was that?
Bubble turned to a ball now. Bubbles.
Right, use the balloon. Oh, yeah, we'll win.
Bubbles lose. Bubbles lose. Bubbles lose.
Oh, I'm not hearing any sound.
Hey. Hey, 1, 2.
Mommy's in the corner snickering.
Just
Okay, the mommy will laugh off us. We're not hearing any sound in Angry Birds. Alright, give me 1 second, YouTubers. We check on what is going on with the sound. Where's the option? Alright, come out. Go in the settings.
Okay.
And find out. Okay, I think it's on mute. Oh, here we go.
Now, here we go now.
Sound. Alright. Let's get back to the race now. Do one more race. And then we'll sign out. Alright.
Yeah, and we're going to go to Angry Birds.
No, don't have it on this one. Have it on the phone. Last time we downloaded it wasn't working so good. It usually give it, remember the half a black screen again? Alright. YouTube we did have to start over because as I said before the tablet crashed. So basically I was just starting my Chrome. I was just gonna show you the show as we go along our progress.
2,000 calories.
2,000 what?
2,000 calories.
2,000 calories?
Yes.
What is that? What is 2,000 calories?
It's money.
Calories is not money. It's 2,000 coin. Alright, we're gonna do one more race and then sign out. If you like,
what time we're going to get all of them?
Yeah, we're gonna try and unlock everybody.
Angry Birds.
But this time we're just trying to work on bombs. Alright? Alright. I think I need to upgrade the car. If we can't go any further until we upgrade the car. We're gonna need to upgrade the car. Alright, so we'll see if we can choose a different car.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay.
Oh, Redman's car. It can go fast.
Okay, you don't want to upgrade? You can upgrade it. Upgrade the speed. See, the 104 cc. I'm gonna upgrade the acceleration. I'm saying the 115 cc. Now let's see if we can do some race with this. Okay, we get. What was that?
What? We got down.
What are we go to set? We go to something already. We go. Which is gonna race? What is this?
Pig race.
Alright, we'll just do this race.
With Rubber 2. What? Rubber, what you doing here? You know. Rubber, you know what's here.
Oops. Oh my god, we didn't get a good start. Let's see if we can get this one.
Hey, pig is ready.
I'm gonna pass him, man. Not gonna pass Daddy.
Not gonna pass Daddy. No one can pass me. No one can pass me.
Oh.
I can pass anyone. And that's all the categories.
I think it's time to use the bubble.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Alright. And we are number 1. Alright, here we go. Final lap. Finishing. Alright.
Look, you have glasses. You have Roman glasses.
Alright.
Someone is approaching.
We win. High five.
Oh, number 1. We need to upgrade our car, but I'm going to play another game, please.
Not today. We're going to sign off for today. And anyway, we hope you enjoyed it.
We're going to take to YouTube and watch it today.
Yes, Caleb, that's the whole idea. Alright, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. You can track our progress. You can subscribe and watch
we can watch Skylanders or anything.
We're gonna get Skylanders from
Activision.
Alright, well we'll see. We're going to sign off now.
To FDTD.
No, this is not FDTD.
You see, I'm ready from Adrian.
No,
and
this is
really like,
alright, yo. Good night. We're gonna sign out now. If you like the video, you can always subscribe.
Yeah.